In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add conditions in Jotform. Whether you're designing a simple feedback form or a detailed survey, conditions allow you to tailor the user's experience based on their responses, making your form smarter and more efficient. Let's dive in and see how you can set these up. First, you need to open your form. To do this, start by logging into your Jotform account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the My Forms section. Here, you'll see a list of all your forms. Select the one you want to work on, and then click Edit Form. This will open up the form builder where the real magic happens. Now that you have your form open, the next step is to set up the conditions. In the form builder, look at the top of the interface and click on Settings. This is where you can adjust various aspects of your form's behavior. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a menu. From there, select Conditions. This opens up a whole array of options where you can manage how your form interacts with users. The third step involves choosing the type of condition you want to apply. Jotform offers several types of conditions that cater to different needs. For example, Show Hide field lets you display or hide fields based on the answers users provide. Update Calculate field can automate calculations and dynamically update values. There's also Enable Require field, letting you make certain fields mandatory or optional as needed. If you have a multi-page form, Skip to Hide a page allows you to direct users to specific pages based on their responses. You can even change Thank You page to redirect users to different URLs depending on their answers. And lastly, the Send an Email condition can automatically trigger email notifications when certain conditions are met. Each of these options provides a unique way to customize and enhance your form's interactivity. Once you've decided which condition suits your needs, it's time to set it up. To begin, click on plus add a new condition. Next, select the condition type you want. Let's say show/hide field. Now, you'll define the logic for the condition by specifying details like if a particular field is equal to a certain value, then the form should show, hide, update, or perform another action on the target field. This logic gives you the power to make your form as interactive as you desire. Finally, after you've set up the condition to your liking, don't forget to hit the Save button. This ensures all your settings are applied and your form behaves as expected. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully added conditions to your Jotform. This not only improves user experience, but also allows you to gather data more effectively tailored to your specific needs. Happy form building!